Guys, for this journey of life, now one man for himself. For this very video, I'm going to talk about the three most important things, three secrets we be say Ekwe and Su no they ever tell Yahoo boys before they enter Yahoo. They come plus up. This very video, they make I warn everybody, make I tell everybody where they watch them. We get intent of say he won't go plus up, say he won't go do one or two things for Ekwe and Su shrine, may just get money. Person won't go at G2 up and down, say he won't get money. This very video is for you. I beg you, man, just calm down, sit down on your seat, carry your earpiece, plug on for a ear, and listen to this very video. Things we say, guys, they see, guys, we don't plus up the see, or more if they tell you might go wrong. But I know some still get the heart. They won't plus up, they won't live for 1 year, 2 years, they can't buy. But for those we be say they go regret them later, those we be say their conscience never die. This very video now for you. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn your notification bell icon. I don't see things for this life. I don't interact with guys and ladies where we say they plus up, but they can't find ways where we say they go use commots, but we no day. You don't enter, we say you don't enter. Ekwe Su no ever tell you say na like this in B until you enter. Regrets up and down. Yes, money to buy Dorime, money to buy VSOP, money to buy Andre, money to buy NSC go day, Yakpa. But more, what is the essence of money when you don't have peace of mind? The first thing we be say Ekwe Su no ever tell you before you plus up. Now the level of sacrifice with they involved. My brother, they give you the OT. What did they do be say? If you don't say you want plus up, you guys do oath taking first. They'll carry you go take oath. That oath taking me say almost say you don't enter, say don't enter. What they tell you say do, may you go see go do am. That oath taking say as you don't do and finish, no matter the gravity of the sacrifice you must surely enter, you must surely do am, you must surely commit. So that agreement that is being sealed with blood, agreement will be say, if you look the agreement, look the consequences, say you break them, now to just generally carry sacrifice come, now it remain. And the things where they ask as sacrifice, someone will be here. Some they go tell them bring your mama, some they tell them say may bring your most priceless possession in terms of a human being, may carry come. My brother, you no get wetin most never see forget. Things we go demand from you or more ego if you bust your bubbles. Some say they tell them say may them go run mad for months. Say they do it for months. Say probably after 6 months they'll come back. Say madness will come out. Money will come begin to flow water puto. I don't see one guy for you and then the guy just they run around. You don't even wear clothes. They shout, they run around. People take her like say this guy they renew, or probably this guy that they sacrifice you tell them say may do, say that him and the guy they commit. So a lot of things don't go wrong for this world. So the sacrifice, the level of sacrifice, the first thing we say Ekwe Su no we ever tell you. And if you enter, you don't enter. You know use you. Some say they use their score, take do their brain. You get some say if they come out their cap or when a man got full inside, you no go know now. You go take no. Things they happen. The second thing we be say Ekwe Su no ever tell you before you plus up. Now the things we supposed to do to sustain that very plus up, we don't plus up. Now here walk. If you don't skate through sacrifice stage, now here walk day. Make I talk for those who don't know how life be. No be to enter realm be the problem. No be to enter certain positions be the problem. The matana way they be say maintaining position, maintaining realms, maintaining a certain level of commitment, na be the problem. You know human being now. Human being an inconsistency. Now here we Ekwe Su they take whole Yahoo plus boys where. Cause you know see the kind of task we go give you to sustain that wealth we don't give you. Ekwe Su no dey even give wealth. Now money where you supposed make generally for earth. Now Ekwe Su come package from your future bring am to the immediate, you go dey enjoy the money wey you suppose make for life. Na wetin Ekwensu dey do now. Ekwensu no get money to give anybody now. You no get. Almost so these guys now, to sustain that money now can be problem. And if you no sustain that, you go buy you, or say you go run mad. Nobody go fit cure you again. I don't get what I hear one girl gist or more. The thing make me kolo mental. This girl, wetin she dey do be say, normally people they sleep for night, they work for day. But this girl, wetin suppose they do, they sustain her own wealth. Be say she go dey sleep for day, and then she go dey work for night. So wetin this girl do be say, during daytime she go crash, she go sleep well, but for night she go just come out, go clubbing till daybreak. Omana, so this girl won't be. Some people won't be say they go chop on shit by not talking for pidgin or English because of YouTube community guideline policy. May I no verse. You gonna chop some certain things when you say they come on human body, it don't make sense now. I don't watch one video, YouTube serve even is and give me strike. The girl just sit down where they remove the thing, the boy just open his mouth, they collect them, fresh one, they chew them. All these things for the money. The third thing we be say Ekwensu no get valid tell you or more now the implications if you no fit obey the things when they tell you say make they do to sustain your money. For example, now you don't go bring person, can't do ogwe, can't do sacrifice. You don't maintain the money they give you to the extent we be say a time will come. Due to inconsistency, you can't misbehave. The consequence where they follow them, Ekwensu no they valid tell you. That consequence they did very harsh. Some people they go run mad. Some people they go buy instantly. Some people 1 or 2 things go just do them. The money go just whack, water, money will come out. So you when they watch this video, reason your life. Now this kind of thing you want for yourself. Ekwensu no fit give you money. I won't tell you now. You no fit give you money. Why no fit just calm down, work hard? Why no fit calm down, dey disciplined, dey whatever you are doing? Money go come. I say money go come. Just calm down. Money go come. In fact, even go learn forex now. Go learn crypto. No dey rely on some of these lazy strategies of making money. Ekwensu no fit give you money. My guy, these are the 3 things we be say Ekwensu no go ever tell you before him plus you up as a Yahoo boy. Everybody dey very careful.